Hey yo guys, GM, please, wherever you're watching from, please send a GM, okay? GM. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Pure greatness today. That's what we're gonna achieve. GM. Can I get a GM back? Where are you watching from? GM, guys. GM. I'm good. CC said sub bro from YouTube. I'm good, brother. I'm good. I'm not gonna lie. GM. Yeah, GM Samuel. I'm good. CC said sub bro from YouTube. Ibrahim GM. I see you. Yes, CC. So for those of you that are watching from Twitter, yeah, um, make sure you for you to be able to get clarity, right? For you to be able to get clarity, please make sure you click on the three dots at your right hand side at the top right and change your resolution to 180p, right? 1080p, yeah, 1080p, so that you can be able to get you know you can be able to get good resolution view. Then for those of you on Twitter, please make sure you retweet this fucking live video so that then for those of you on Twitter, please make sure you retweet this fucking live video so that okay, so personally I just retweeted the live. So why those of you streaming from YouTube, please make sure you share the video, okay? Share the live to your status, and all that so that people can get to join, okay? Share the live to your status, and all that. So GM guys, GM. So we are waiting for people to join uh, the live stream. So just to be clear, right? Is the sound quality okay on your end? Is the sound quality okay? While we are sharing and retweeting, let's confirm the sound. Is the sound quality okay for you? Someone said as usual, not so good and not so bad. So Sissy, that's from Sissy from YouTube. Sissy, please, I need you to do something, right? Are you streaming this particular live stream at the highest resolution? Are you streaming it at the highest resolution? Let me be sure you're streaming it at the highest resolution because you said as usual. So if you stream at the highest resolution, then trust me, it's gonna sound way way better. Okay. Okay. You said you check it now. Good. So please check it. Okay. Check it. All right. Let's get active now. Yo, young Ricky. I see you, brother. I see you. So yeah, we're about to get active. We're about to get very, very active. Okay, picture is good, but just sound not as clear like in a studio. Okay, so let me check on the sound right now. Let me work on the sound. Let's see. Audio echo cancellation is on. Reduce mic noise background. Okay. Um, I think let's manage the audio like this. Okay. Um, GM the best among all DC. Yeah, thank you so much, Crown. Thank you. So, for you all, okay. Sissy said in high quality it is better. Yes, I could have said. So please make sure you are streaming on a high quality. Okay, stream on a high quality. Okay, change to your settings. You can check. You can change all that. Okay, so it will be very clear and have a lot of quality. Okay, yeah, it is what it is. All right, guys, let us begin. Let's begin. Let's fucking go. Guys, we're gonna make a lot of money today. I tell you, we're gonna make a lot of money today. Um Daily Dopamine said GM legend. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys. So please make sure you're streaming at the highest quality. You know, you can set it from your own end. Make sure you're sharing this video. I need to be seeing shares, like, and be tapping those likes, but be tapping the like, tapping it, tap, tap, tap. Bro, let's make it interesting. Web2 guys know how to make their stuff interesting, and we need to make ours more interesting. Oh yeah. So let's fucking go. So I'm gonna try as much as possible to be energetic, maintain the energy. See the one, yo, let's go. So so let's go. So, anyways, first thing first, let us present something to you all. And boom, here we go. Yup, we up. We up, we up. Oh my word, Iceberry. Iceberry, I greet you specially. Thank you for joining. Iceberry is my classmate from secondary school, my childhood friend. I love him so much. That's my guy there. I love you so much, my brother. He's joining us from Facebook. My Facebook is not really bubbling, so But then thank you for joining, brother. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. So guys, like I said, please keep sharing the video. Share the video, please. Tap like button, comment. I need you all to be doing things. So, guys, I put out this analysis on a live stream the other day. Please, I need to be sure that you all can see it. So just comment. Comment, I can see it, or I can see. So let me be sure you can see. Then let's move. I'm going to drop also live trades here. Okay. I'm going to drop some live trades here. We're going to make money. We're going to make good money here today, okay? Yeah, I need all of us to make money. Yeah, good, good, good. Okay, I can see, I can see, I can see, I can see on the comment section. So thank you for commenting, guys. Yeah, that's cool. So the goal of this particular video live stream, right, is to obviously impacting you directly. It's also for the smart ones to look at, look at how this guy is doing stuff. Yeah, because um to be to be humble is good, but to also let people know who you are is also good too. So I'm going to let you know that I am I am one of the biggest guys doing this particular stuff right now in in Africa. The data is there. You need to understand that I'm one of the biggest guys doing this stuff in Africa right now. Like one of the biggest guys. So the data is there, like I said, and I'm not going to explain the big in whatever level, right? But I need you to understand that the data is there. So you need to know that for this particular person, that's why I'm always so proud of my God. I'm so fucking proud of myself. Iceberry is my childhood friend. You know, Iceberry is my childhood friend, and he knows where we're coming from. For so it's not easy to get to this point from where we're coming from. Okay, so please, I need you to know that I don't do any extra magic apart from what I'm showing here. Okay, apart from what I am showing here, there's no extra magic I'm doing. So pay attention. Pay attention. Okay, when you pay attention, you will understand a couple of things over time, and that's education. See, yo, okay, you know what? Let's do something quick. Everybody comment, just comment. Let's make this place lively. Yeah, Iceberg, I see you. I see. I see, my brother. So let's make it lively, right? So I need you to comment. When did you join crypto? I'm going to comment first. Mine is going to be in the comment section right now. So when did you join or start trading? Drop your own comment. Mine is in the comment section, so I'm going to drop mine. 2019. Yeah. So Pablo said, I tweeted mine 2019 as a vendor, right? Then 2020 as a trader officially. That's my own. It's on the comment section here. And then Pablo said 2019. Um, Abdullahi said 2019. Now, Others, I'm expecting your comments. Okay, good. Osarume. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name. Okay, yeah, I've seen Simon. Simon saying 2018 as a vendor. Okay, cool. So me, okay, 2020 as a trader. All of us are almost same set here. All of us are almost same set. 2019, 2020. Okay, CC said 2024. We senior you well. Oh. CC, you need to say good morning to the OGs in the building. We senior you well. Okay, Iceberry, my friend, said 2018, but I didn't take it serious and I regret it. So you first me join crypto safe. Okay. Simon said I am the same Simon on Twitter. Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you. No, CC, you need to say GM to the OGs in the building. You say GM guys, we are not your guys, we are your OGs. You joined 2024. We were from 2018, 2019. We are your OGO. Okay, so Casey said good morning to the OGs. 2024 as an airdropper, now learning and focusing on trading more. Good. You see, I like Casey. Casey said GM to the OGs. So yes, we are the OGs here now. Godwin said he got onboarded 2021. Steven James said 2020. Crown said I started trading in 2023, but it has been a roller coaster of joy and pains. Okay, cool. CC is now laughing. He said, GM OGs. Yeah, so it is what it is. I swear, since I started this live stream, this particular live stream should be like one of the most interesting live streams ever. Uh, I like the energy. I like the comments coming in. Let's keep it up, guys. Nice one. Let's keep it up. So now, why I asked this stuff is this, right? For those of you that have been here since 2020, 2018, 2019, some of you were even here before me. Let us then comment now again, right? Let's drop. I'm going to ask a question. Let's comment. Let's be honest. Please be honest. Whether yes, no, be honest. Since 2020, some of you 2024, some of you 2023, have you ever seen any community leader that is putting in this so much energy to make his people win worldwide? I'm no longer talking about Nigeria or Africa 10 now. Worldwide, those people you follow, those your idols and all that. I need you to comment, please. Let's be honest. So that this is like a social experiment. Personally, if you notice, I love to do social experiment, right? Because I mean, the other day I put a poll. I said rate my technical analysis skills. People voted and the vote came out very well. But I mean, if it hadn't came out well, I could have taken it in good faith. I mean, it's the people's choice. You understand? So let's be honest, please. Since when you got onboarded to crypto or trading, have you seen anybody that like worldwide? I'm not even talking about Nigeria now. Worldwide, that is actually putting in this so much effort to make sure his people win. Let me check. I'm trying to check Twitter now. So, okay, so Iceberry said, personally, no. You are the first person, and that's why I call you the king of crypto. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Simon said no. Yeah. Okay, cool. Makes sense. Makes sense. I'm still waiting for other comments though. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. I'm still waiting for other comments though. I'm just looking at this stuff on Twitter right now, and it's so clear. Makes sense. I love it. Okay, so Pablo said nope. Even some paid community self, all they do is signals without any proper technical analysis. When the trade goes south, they don't even take accountability, knowing fully well that people are losing their money. Zero emotions, yes. It's crypto. Invest what you can afford to lose. But then again, we are humans. Makes sense. Simon said, "You're a great man. God bless you." Abdullahi Oyibo said, "Your approach to your community stand out. You are an extraordinary leader and you carry your community along. Thank you so much." And while other comments are coming in, there's a reason why I asked this question. Um, I don't know most of you. Most of you don't. I don't know you. You guys are the one that know me. I don't even know you one on one. I don't know if we have chatted before or not. So it's not as if I planned this and like you know what? When I ask this question, people are gonna reply like this. It's not like that. So I appreciate your comments, right, and all of that. And by the special grace of God, I pray that God keeps giving me the strength to keep moving. And I'm so happy that at least a couple of you are getting to notice what we're doing. Some people are so ungrateful, but I don't care about those people. Like I don't care about negative vibes, right? So now, why I brought this up is this: you need to understand that there's a whole lot of value we're putting out here, a whole lot of fucking value. And why I ask this question is because during my time when I came in as a newbie, I didn't have anybody like me to look up to. Right? I didn't have I didn't have anybody to look up to. So somebody dropped in case. He said, yeah, Top V. I don't know who Top V is, but he said Top V started doing this earlier this year with so much effort. Been live for almost 24 hours every day, but for about 6 months the community was doing well, but I don't know what happened and it stopped. Okay, I don't know him, but shout out to Top V also for doing what this type of stuff, right? So you see, I put in a lot of work to make sure that you all get carried along. The truth of the matter is that education, knowledge is not free, right? But there's a certain type of knowledge that will be given dished out to you that you can build on. And that was how I got to this point. I came in as a vendor 2019 just because of I heard of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first time I was hearing about Bitcoin consciously was in 2019. But look at me today. That's a lot of you should be motivated. You should be motivated, So you get what I'm saying, yeah. So I came in 2019. I didn't have guys I was looking up to. All 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 I could see was a lot of guys that just wanted to take advantage of people. So see something here, right? I'm not saying do not take advantage of people. And I am so happy that for now we are not having tens of thousands of people on this live stream. So for now, what I'm trying to do is the hundreds of people that we normally have on the live stream. I think we've done 800 people in a day before, 700 people, 1,000 people in a day before, but we're not having tens of thousands yet, no. But soon we'll start having tens of thousands. And trust me, immediately we'll start having tens of thousands. There's a lot of information I will limit. You know why? Some of you might not agree, but it is just the truth. You cannot give out so much valuable information to a too many number of people for free. It's just like Tony Elumelu coming to tell you the secret of UBA. It doesn't work now. This is capitalism. Excuse me. What makes you special is your knowledge. Capitalism, bro. So you get what I'm saying, right? So um okay, somebody said Steven said, okay, no, Chinazal said that is my friend Iceberry. Said honestly, I wish I took this crypto thing serious. I would have been richer than Elon Musk. Calm down, calm down, calm down. But yeah, probably could have been richer. Ahmed XM is trying from Stephen James. Meanwhile, Ahmed XM is my friend, my good friend, and we have a, we're collaborating on something soon that is coming up. It's going to be massive, right? So yeah, so Ahmed XM is good, but not as much as you. Cool. Everybody is busy. It's not easy to do this stuff, you know. Also, thank you, Stephen. So um, now I'm putting out stuff here so that to make sure that you all get educated, understand that, oh, look at what is actually happening. You get what I'm saying, right? So that's why I do live stream, right? I just put out a course. The name of the course is The Unfair Trading Advantage, right? The Unfair Trading Advantage, and the course is selling for 440,000 naira for the lowest tier of it, and at the max tier is selling for about I think $1,000, right? So, but right now it's on discount, right? And you know what happened? Yes, I posted it. I just posted it yesterday, and this morning somebody bought the top tier. And guess where this guy is from? Honduras. Honduras. He bought he bought the because of his on discount, it's at 800 and something dollars. Very soon I'll make a video about it and post. It's from Honduras. He bought it 800 dollars plus. And bro, I was like mad, because my goal, if we're going to say a lot of arts about the course, I'm saying this course is not for everyone. It's just for few people, few selected people. Because I mean, I cannot make my knowledge common now. It's not going to be out there everywhere. That's I cannot make it common. So, but just for very few people, and boom, boom, boom. So you can go and get the course, right? But that is if you really think that it's going to be valuable. It's a video course, by the way, right? So, but aside from the course, let's forget about the course for now. Aside from the course, right, I do my analysis live so that at least I know that there are some people that will learn one or two things, brush themselves up, because you know why. Let me give you one gist. Iceberry is my childhood friend, like I said. So we have a mutual friend called Chukuma Eric Mba. That's my friend. Back then, I sent Chukuma a DM. I'm like, bro, he started trading before us, like technical analysis and all that. I'm like, bro, please, can you teach me technical analysis? He told me I need to pay him $1,000. $1,000, bro. If I had paid Chukuma 10,000, if I had $20,000 back then, trust me, it's worth it. I have made way, way, way more than that. But the problem is that I did not have that money. That's the problem. And I understand that a lot of you don't have money to buy courses and all that. Now, we no get that money, suppose they join this life, they take them very serious. In fact, if you see L, before I spell the life finish, you're supposed to be here. You get what I'm saying? So Chukuma told me $1,000, and bro, I did not have that money then, so I had to then start going through corners. I did a lot. In fact, one of the scar that I carry from that a lot was that I developed spondylitis. Now, and guess what? Spondylitis is not curable. It's manageable throughout your life. You have to be managing it. I spend a lot of money on physiotherapy every week for my back. Even this chair I'm sitting on is called an ergonomic chair, right? But some of you know it as gaming chair. It's supposed to help your back and all, but it doesn't help. For some of you that have started following me since a long time, there was a time I was always posting back to back to back. If you notice, yeah, some people that are following me now, they might still see me as a very hardworking person. But if you notice, my work rate reduced just because of my back is fucked up. So it's part of the dues I paid. You see, man. So because do you know what I did? I know get money, so I have to put in the work. I went and I watched almost all the YouTube videos that has anything to do technical analysis. I learned all the jargons, all the one that makes sense. I started to filter. If I make a mistake, I do. If I do, I started. That was how I became this. That people from all over the world, you know what? In the comment section, please just drop your country flag. Where are you from? Drop your country flag in the comment section. Drop your country flag. the comment section. So I got people from different parts of the world that want, like I said, I put out a course. I want to sell. I'm selling the course for like almost $1,000, bro. And for the top tier though, and somebody paid immediately without, he does not know me. In fact, I've not uploaded the course 100%. I am just uploading them episode by episode. So yesterday I put out an episode. Today I'm going to put out an episode for the pre-sale, or rather, if you're buying on pre-order right now, it's cheaper, and you'll be getting them episode by episode every day. Once it's completed, then we're now selling at the full price. Now someone immediately bought that from a country. Oyibo man, he bought it from a country. Okay, see, somebody posted UK. Are you a Nigerian living in UK, or you are from UK? The first flag that came in. So you get what I'm saying, right? Now, people from all over the world so let me tell you something in case you don't know. I was so happy. I was even telling my wife today, and I'm like, yo, do you know what it means? Like I made this course. I made this course so that this course will not be common and for just 1% of people. Do you understand what I'm saying? But guess what? The first person that is buying this bought it, and the person bought from another country. In less than 5 hours I uploaded the course, and the person is a white man from another country. Now see something here. There is, especially for those of you that are in abroad, like Simon he lives abroad, UK, and someone said someone just those of you abroad, let me ask you something. Getting $1,000 abroad, is it easy? Because sometimes some people would think that it's only Nigeria that is hard. Getting $1,000 abroad for you to pay for something, it's not easy. It's almost as if you have saved up. You manage yourself for a month to be able to save that. True or false? For those of you that are here that live in diaspora, I don't know this your country flag with big dreams. Is it Gambia? Somebody say, how long will the pre-sale last for? The pre-sale is going to last for like a couple of weeks, maybe 1 week or so, or 2 weeks. Yeah, drop your flag, drop your flag. I'm seeing flags, I don't even know them. I don't know the country. So so my point now is this: $1,000 is very hard. So for someone to have bought that, paid $1,000 for something I put out that is not even yet complete online, that is still on pre-sale or pre-order, right? That I'm dropping one after the other. That is, the person has a lot of belief and trust in my brand, in our brand, in Dream Chasers brand. Right now, we just started this live about 3 minutes ago, and about 112 people are here right now, and it's going to keep increasing. Right now, these people have a lot of belief. All of you have a lot of belief in this particular guy. You know that this particular guy has something. It is that something I packaged and put in that course, but I cannot make it common. But what can I do? Because of Chukuma told me that I should pay him $1,000, and I did not have $1,000 then. What I try to do is that I try to create a queue. I try to do some things valuable to the community that this community can then be able to build from. You can learn from, and that is why I host these live videos. I do this stuff. Pablo said the Nigerian in Canada. This person say Gambia. I'm gonna be like, say all of them are there abroad though. Abroad people, please. How difficult is it? How is it? Or how am I gonna ask this question? Okay, yeah. How difficult can it be to make $1,000 and pay someone $1,000? Please comment in the comment section, please. While I start my analysis, I'll get back to you so that people can understand that it takes a lot of sacrifices to be great. Person don't comment red flag. Oh. Who comment red flag? David Barr. It's a red flag. Red flag, is it red flag, is it a country flag? uh, so the reason why I'm laughing is so our first guy, the Nigerian that is in the Nigerian that is in Canada, he said $18 per hour, no be joke. So you work $18 per hour, right? So $18 per hour. Let's divide it by how much somebody paid me yesterday for that course. Paid bought online, not to me directly. Paid to on seller. The person paid $806 for that course, divided by 18. So for you to be able to afford that course, for those of you working $18 per hour, you have to work for 44 hours to be able to afford it. So 44 hours, you didn't eat, you didn't spend any money from it, no tax was taken from it. You have to work 44 hours. How many hours do we have in a day? You have to work 2 days straight, non-stop, to be able to afford that course. And people are making the sacrifice. So it's not even easy. So that's why I say it's for the 1% people. You know. David Barr, you are laughing. I said is a red flag. A red flag. What country does a red flag? That your red flag you're uploading. What country are you from? Somebody said it's mental. That is Osaru. That is Simon. He says it's mental, bro. If you don't have extra source of income, it's almost not possible. Yeah, it's almost not possible. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. To raise that money to pay. But though it's in different levels. So I put the top tier like that, but the least, at least the least one, 200, that'd be $300 or 200. I think $300. But now you can get it on pre-sale for about $200 thereabouts. Or what? No, for about $150, you can get it now on pre-sale for $150. The full course, video course, yeah, you can get it $150 now. You know, so it's better now. You buy now. It's on my pinned tweet. I've not put it on YouTube, but I'm gonna put it on YouTube soon. That is the link for the, but then it's on my other socials, right? David from YouTube said your analysis is top notch, verified. Yeah, I'm fucking good. I'm a legend in this stuff. Don't worry. I know the crazy thing. People buy a lot of robots. People buy a lot of robots. I'm not going to lie to you. People buy a lot of robots. People buy a lot of crazy ass stuff. People go to different top schools in the world just to know this stuff, because that's the goal now, to be able to do this stuff. Imagine me analyzing for a hedge fund company or Zenith Bank, or bro. But very soon I'm going to get that kind of plugs, though. I know. I already have the exposure, so very soon I'll get that. Probably some people are still watching me, so very soon I'll get that type of plug. And you know what happens to those type of deal? They will tell you, okay, we are trading with $1 billion, but you don't have to have any social media presence again. You have to leave social media and be our personal. Once they tell me that, I will delete all my. And you're going to be making 1% or 2% you're going to be taking 1% or 2% profit from this money. Once they tell me that, I will delete all my social media. But I'm not going to see me for social media again. So yesterday, something funny happened. I love this life. I love this life. I mean, the comment section is mad. I love it. Let me show what happened yesterday. I just warned one guy now. The guy that one of my followers, he just joined our premium. And I told him, bro, please don't behave like this another day. Is this it? Somebody commented something. Yes, I accept what you said now, David. I accept it. What you said is true. What you said is true. David, you said David Ekulu. So we have two Davids here. So David Ekulugo said, I will get bigger. That I don't even know my worth self. And I think so, because I think sometimes I used to underprice a lot of things about myself. It be like say they correct one. So David Barr say don't leave also. Okay. So I'm trying to show you guys what happened yesterday. I'm trying to show you guys what happened yesterday. Trading is funny. Just a second, I'm trying to get the chat out. Okay, it's on sports, not on features. So guys, check this out. Is this not diabolic? You can see my screen, right? Like I said, if you're once you're live, you're going to take a trade. Can you see what happened on this second BTC trade? But this is very diabolic. It came down almost to my stop loss and pumped up. Can you see? Quadro said your analysis are massive. Yeah, thank you so much. Guys, can you see? Check out this chart. Then I'll explain something to you. Guys, I need to be sure you have seen it by commenting. So you have to comment for me to know you have seen it, okay? Okay, David said seen. Okay, Young Rich, okay, I'm answering the question I asked that when you join crypto and all that. So you say 2020 and future trader 2025. Okay, cool. Welcome on board. Mm, yeah, Onala said seen. So you see what I'm saying, yeah? Now, one of my follower, the guy closed this trade when we are here. And now look at Yo guys, can you see my screen, please? Can you see my screen now? Oh my god. Okay, somebody said nah. Who said nah again, kwa? You cannot see my screen. I don't understand. I can see my screen here now. Sorry, I had some little internet disconnection. Okay, yeah, so my screen can be seen. Thank you so much. Thank you for the patience, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so I said I was trying to show this stuff. I said, look at what happened here. Almost stop loss. Now, you see something funny about this particular trade. I'm doing $100 to a $1,000, no, $100 to a $500, $100 to a $500 challenge, right? So on the $100 to a $500 challenge, we are trading on Bitonix. So the funny thing is that Bitonix, it didn't hit stop loss on Bitonix, but on Bybit it hits a stop loss on Bybit. I don't know. It's not like I don't know what happened, right? Sometimes exchanges price might differ a little bit, and those people that set their stop loss at 106 to 30 hit them out, but on our own, it didn't hit us out. You know what? Let me do something now. So those guys on the premium, they might, but they no go know so no be so. Let me show you something now. Somebody said he got liquidated at 106K. Somebody that longed on his own. Not be with me and Amo. So sorry about that. So sorry. Okay, I'm trying to show you something. Then we'll move on. Meanwhile, while I'm trying to show this stuff, guys, like I said, I just put out a full course on technical analysis. It's all over my social media. Go and purchase it now on pre-sale. Use the use the use the coupon code biggest DC to get a 50% discount now that it is going on pre-sale or pre-order it. Pre-sale or pre-order, either one, same thing. So you can go get it, okay? Yeah, so let me share something now, show you something. Excuse me. So you can see this, right? Okay, let me show you. Yeah, 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 yeah. So this is our $100 to $500 challenge. You know me, I like to show evidence in things. So this is how it is here. So you see, I was telling them, you know what, close. I said close. So after we went down to 106 on the challenge, right? 106, I told them to long BTC, and I told them, yo guys, you know what? Start closing now. Some of you are here. Some of you that are on the 500, 100 to $500 challenge, please drop a comment so that people can know that what I'm saying is real. So I told them, guys, you know what? I think it's time to close, 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 close. So from now on average, this particular person, I don't know what he did. Okay, I think he joined with a lesser amount. I don't know a lesser amount the challenge. I don't know, but then um that's why his money is at 91 or so. But on an average, people, you know what? Let's do something together here. Let me say drop drop your balance. Drop your your balance here. Let's see. So those of you that are here that are on this challenge, go and drop your balance there so that they can see. Oh my God, I didn't spell balance properly. How do I edit this with my laptop? Let me leave it like that. They should understand. ASAP. So on an average, people have done about 20%, on this challenge. And we're taking trades with $20 per trade, $20 per trade. As you can see, this guy here is $20 per trade, right? So $20, then 6%, $1 margin. When we get to 30%, 50%, we close the trade. And that's how I've been accumulating it gradually. So since last week we started, on an average, people here are on 20% profit, risking $6 per trade, and that's a good ROI. So over time, we're going to increase our margin very soon when we get to a particular. Yeah, you can see this guy just dropped his own $119. That is on an average 20%, like I said. Okay. So you see, you get what I'm saying, right? So you see, these stuffs I'm doing them live. Like, I don't think anybody don't show this type of data live like this. Like, bro, I don't think so. You get, man. This other person say, well, I won't start. I don't know. So this is like what we're doing on the $100 too. So like I said earlier, we are taking each trade with $20, right? Per trade we take with $20, and you can see what's happening here. You can see the balance. People, I said, sending your balance. People are sending their balance. So we use $20 per trade to achieve this result. I will take at least one trade or two trades a day. And we started just last week. So you see, this is like mad as, bro. This is like a mother's bragging right or whatever. So you see, I'm showing it live, fucking live. 52 members there, showing it live. So let me stop presenting this for now. Let us move over to the charts. Back to the charts. I beg, before we continue, guys, more gonna clap for me. No easy. We are doing big things over here. Clap, 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 clap. Sending clap emoji. Easy. Somebody said, I am Crypto Kid from X. Remember me, I got the buy signal in your Telegram group. I got the buy signal. I bought and got liquidated. So, my brother, I am so sorry. I am so sorry you got liquidated, right? But please, you can see how I showed an evidence of look at what I am doing with some certain type of people. So if you got liquidated, you probably have over leveraged or you did something wrong. You're not supposed to get liquidated. And I just showed the trade right now that look, I almost hit LCL, we didn't hit LCL. So probably you over leverage, your risk management is bad or something. I am sorry about that. So you know what you're gonna do? Check my pinned tweet on X, right? Buy the course there and get yourself educated, okay? And you're gonna stop losing too much, okay? And over time, you become very profitable, okay? So sorry that you got liquidated. You can see on the same trade you got liquidated, people are breaking even on the trade. Okay, so somebody said cannot see or hear me or hear you, my boss. Pablo, I think you should leave and join. Let me just comment since you say you cannot see or hear me on X. Somebody said cannot see or hear me or hear you, my boss. Pablo, I think you should leave and join. Let me just comment since you say you cannot see or hear me on X. Somebody said cannot see or Okay, so Crypto Kid said, anyways, love you, bro. Yeah, I love you too, my guy. So just understand the reason why you lost. Like you saw what I just did now. I'm showing you all that, look at the trade. This is the same trade here now. This is almost SL. It didn't hit SL, then it started going up. The only people that got hit on SL were those people that got hit were those people that traded on using Bybit app. And I think the reason because there's a slight difference between Bitunix and Bybit. And as you can see, you can see my pointer here, right? I analyze these charts on Bitunix. So maybe that's why, okay? So those people, if you are from the premium group, and you got affected by this, I am so sorry. Okay, it was beyond my control. Okay, yeah. So now, what is the next thing? What are we to do now? What are we to do? Are we buying or are we selling? I think that should be one of the I think that should be one of the smart the questions that will be coming to, that should be coming to your mind right now. Yo, oh, I've had this happen. Are we buying or are we selling? So, guys, what do you think? Do you think the market is buying right now? Do you think it's going to sell? What do you think, please? I would like to know your thoughts. Okay. So I need to be sure everybody is following. So let's check. Buying or selling? What do you think? Are we buying? Okay, yo, we're almost 200 people here. So I'm telling you, very soon we'll get to 600 and boom, boom, boom. So why they are commenting? If you really want to be as good as I am, you have to make the sacrifice. Check my Twitter, check my Telegram community. There's a pinned post there. You know, I just put out a course. Congratulations to me. It's been years. A lot of people have been asking me, yo, when are you going to have a course on technical analysis? Thank God I finally got motivated to do it. So, yep, I just put out a course. So, you all go hop on it and learn. So, guys, do you think we're buying or going to sell? Drop comment. Buy or sell. Guys, you guys were very proactive the other time. Comment now, drop a comment, please. If you're on X, please retweet. Those of you on X, retweet. Those of you on YouTube, share the video. Twitch, I don't have fans on Twitch yet. And Facebook, not really. Guys, you need to comment to make me happy and for me to be sure that you can hear me. Yeah, Crypto Kid, I love you too. No worries. It's all love, my brother. It's all love. Okay. Venatsu said GM Dream Chaser. Oh yeah, GM to you. Short period sell, long period buy from another person, from CC. Oh yeah, we just hit 200 guys live right now. 200 people here. Massive. Massive. Okay. Okay. So guys, the truth of the matter is that we are going to buy. We are going to buy. Structure seemed broken. Structure was looking broken on a 1 day time frame, but I think we're going to buy. I think we're going to get to 121,000. Though it's a little bit risky, but I think we're going to buy. So let's do some analysis, buy, and see. Okay. So Let's do some analysis. Let's buy. Let's see what it's gonna be. Okay. Somebody said with the courses also come with extra, especially that your Fibonacci setting. Buy and see. David Barr. Yeah, buy and see. Let's see now. Buy and see. Buy and see. Whew. Okay, so weekly looks bullish for now, and I'm going to tell you why. David Barr, just purchase it and see, but trust me, you're going to learn a lot. Okay, weekly look very bullish already. Okay, weekly looks bullish. Let me try this trend line and see something first. Oh my God. Eh? Okay, so you know what's going to happen? Let me leave this between this chat. Let's look for something else. Somebody say my screen is not showing. That is impossible. See this trade that day that they hit me stop loss. I started dumping. I regret my life. Make I first delete all this rubbish. Okay. Oh, I was looking at daily, not weekly. Daily. So you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to take this trade strictly on structure. So let us try something. So someone said your screen is not showing. Wait, let's try something. Let me remove this and put it back. Then let me add to stage. Is it showing now? Everybody comment. Is it showing now? Not yet. Are you serious? Okay, can you see it now? Okay, good. Everybody can see it. And I think we're going to take this trade strictly on. I was thinking the market is bullish, but let us take this trade strictly on structure. Let's stick to the structure. and I'll be doing only one analysis so that, okay, let me don't say that for now. Okay, so let me try this. It's been a minute I use this particular strategy. Where is the tool, self? Yeah. Let me combine this strategy with this one. Let's see what's up. Jesus. Is USC government opening? Hey, here I was thinking that BTC is going to. But that my analysis in my 1 week time frame analysis was showing me we are going to. Hi, what the hell? Ah, oh, market won't scatter. My 1 week time frame was telling me we are going to 126,000, but I've had a new confirmation now because of yesterday's movement using a daily time frame. Chai, it seems time for me to start shouting to zero has reached. Fucking hell. Honestly, to zero. So back in the days, I could have taken this trade from this trend line. So if you have mind, you can take it from here and start shorting. But to be conservative, I'm gonna do like this. This is my conservative trade for my fans worldwide. Chai, or more. Market one dump. Chai. Woo. This is what daily is giving me. Oh. This is what daily is giving us. And what is the entry? Let me say it loudly. As I'm saying it, somebody should be typing it so that other people can see it. Who is going to type? Volunteer to type. If you're going to type, if you're going to volunteer to type, please comment. If you are going to volunteer to type, comment, please. Who will volunteer to type this signal? Una no one answer me. Abi you guys cannot hear me again. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this name. Either you say or you say, I mean you say. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. I will, chief. I will type it. Okay, type for Twitter people while the YouTube guys. Osaru Simon said he's gonna type. Okay, cool. So let's go. Your entry 112,532. So write entry 112,532. So you can type BTC sell trade. BTC sell trade. So buy sell 112,532. Stop loss 118,246. Stop loss 118,246. Then take profit 900. No, take profit 99,785. Take profit 99,785 for take profit. Leverage 5x leverage. Leverage is 5x. 5x leverage, please. Five x leverage. No, 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 no. Sorry. Leverage is 6x. 6x leverage, please. Sorry about that. Leverage is 6x. So this is a pure 1:2 trade. Leverage 6x, please. I am so sorry, please. Leverage is 6x. So how many of you got that? Leverage is 6x. Which one you see your screen is not showing again? My screen is not showing again. Wait, make I go my YouTube, go check this thing myself. My screen is showing now. My screen is showing now. My screen is showing now. It's showing now. Why are people then saying it's not showing? This Abdullahim, be like say you go leave and join again, eh? But it's actually showing, you know. So guys, I think you know I was saying that the market is bullish. The market is bullish. We just figured out a sell now. Jesus. Are you sure I'm right? But I don't like funny thing is that I don't like to overanalyze the market. Lie. If I see something, that is the thing I'll focus on. I don't overanalyze the market, okay? If I see something, boom, 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 boom. That's the only thing I'll focus on. So far so good. I want you to rate this live video. Rate it 100%, 80%, 50%. Do you like what you are getting here? Rate them, rate them, rate them, rate it. I'm waiting for you guys to rate it too. Then we'll continue. Ha ha ha. Somebody say 1000%. David. You guys are not commenting. Guys, comment. If you don't comment, okay. Cairo said 40%. Okay, good, Cairo. So, Cairo, what do you suggest we do to make it to at least 50%? What do you think? Suggest something, Cairo, so that it can be 50% next time. At least let's get to average. You know. Okay, someone said just followed you. Thanks for this. Cool, you're welcome. Okay, other people can't hear me. Okay, I said for those of you that have been here since we started this live stream, um can you kindly rate the right live stream and then tell us what we need to do better so that we can be able to serve you better. Okay. David Barr said 1000% from YouTube. Cairo said 40%. So I want to know from Cairo, what do you think we need to do better? Well, we have 257 people joined already. Welcome, guys. Bro, it's not easy. Also, by the way, do you think we should do another analysis? And if yes, the people that have been active commenting, suggest a coin and we'll check it, okay? I will reply those, just those that have been active. Suggest a coin, let's check it out together, okay? Meanwhile, somebody said so. Meanwhile, David says so. So the other people that are here, people cannot comment this. Meanwhile, like I said, the link to the course of to the link to our the new technical analysis course I just put out is here on the description of this video, and it's also pinned on my Twitter and YouTube. For those of you on YouTube, it's already on the description box of this YouTube video, okay? So you can go there, purchase the course while it's still on pre-sale, and please don't forget to put in do not forget to put in the coupon code biggest DC. Okay, the coupon code biggest DC is gonna help, really help. Okay, so don't forget to do that. Coupon code biggest DC so that you'll be able to get a 50% discount. And by the way, that coupon code is only for 50 people during this pre-sale. Only for 50 people. Yeah. Somebody says stick to your pattern, don't overanalyze the market. Is it a comment or you're advising me or something? Let me know. Or Jim Samuel. Oh, you comment. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, yeah. Don't overanalyze the market. That's true. Anytime I come into the market, the first thing I see, that's what I do. I don't overanalyzing the market will put you in danger. You will regret your life if you overanalyze the market. You know. So I support you. I support you on that. All right. So somebody said, David, the first person said, it's just my active guys. I'm gonna reply their stuff. So David said, David Barr, by the way, he said, Soul. So let's check Soul, guys. Soul USDT. Let me use Bitonix. Yo, how many of you on Bitonix? How many of you have an account on Bitonix? Okay, so Bitonix is doing something. I forgot to say that. What the fuck? Let me tweet that right now. Let me tweet that. Then. How on earth did I forget that? Fucking hell. Bitonix. Please, I'm trying to tweet that right now. So I want to say if you signed up on Bitonix using my partnership link, kindly run your KYC now and get up to $500 in rewards ASAP. Yeah, I just had to tweet that now. I just had to tweet that now. Sorry, how should I post it right now so that people can go and collect their rewards? I forgot. You see, my workload can be crazy sometimes. So sometimes I just tend to, skip on some type of things. Okay, yeah, so I just entered the tweet now. So let's try Solana. Somebody's trying to comment here. Bro, this thing is trying to look confusing a bit, but I will not fall for it because I've seen what BTC wants to do. Let me check this out here. This is not going to work here, but this might work because even the blind can see. This is a resistance. Let's trace structure. This Solana. Let's figure it out together. Oh my God. Wonderful support. Trend line support, 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 bouncing, bouncing. Omo, for what I'm seeing on the chart now, it seems the USA government will soon open because there's nothing else I'm seeing that will make this thing dump like this. I might be wrong, but please, another thing I want to beg you guys, please. I know that a lot of you are seeing me as one type of maybe demigod or whatever. Please, I'm just a human being who I beg you. I'm not on that level. Please, I'm just a human being. Though I'm very good at what I do, but please, okay. Me self, I be human being, no. So honestly, this problem is about to happen. I think USA government is about to open. I've been talking about USA government opening since. If you don't know the context of where I'm coming from on USA government opening, go through my YouTube page. Um, if you go through my YouTube page, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Shit, man. Bro. Some of you now, you will be like, so this is what Dream Chaser does. So these are the things I normally do when I analyze the market or when I'm analyzing the market. When I'm done, I then start deleting everything because I don't want you to know how I got to how I arrived to that point, right? I just put a plain chart like this. And when it happens, you'll be like, what? This guy is a wizard. but you don't know that's what I've been doing. So, anyways, the continuation for the dump has officially been declared by I, the biggest DC. Challenge me and see you. Anoko Falao. All right. This is Solana. This is the future of Solana. She's asleep. Oh, she's sleeping. So, guys, this is the future of Solana. Solana to zero. This is what people don't like about me. Let me tweet it now so that it will trigger people. When I say to zero, they'll start insulting me. I must become my boss. I mean, run 1 or 2 things for house because I don't really like plans. I become a study now, so I don't even wake up on time. So, but I just finish back now like this. I will start to come. So this is the part people don't like about me. So guys, please, if you are here till now, please keep smashing the like button, the retweet button, share. Just do all of that stuff, my G. Very important, yeah. Let me tell my Snapchat fans, yo guys, see me, I'm very looking so rough, but I'm working, yeah. See my BS, crazy. Work, 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 work. So I'm telling my fans that I am working. Oh shit, man, this my front camera is bad. Guys, pardon me, I do this a lot. You need to get used to me playing a lot like this. Life is not that too serious now. Okay, so let's do this again. Yo guys, my Snapchat fans. So I'm on the live right now with my people. You can see we got over 271 people here, and I told them that I needed to make this video to, tell them say they hot. So, anyways, up on this bitch. Yo guys, I've uploaded my Snapchat. I've uploaded to my Snapchat fans. You see, I'm the boss here, so you guys need to calm down. Okay, pardon me, but I have to do what I have to do. Okay. I play a lot on Snapchat. Snapchat is the only platform I am 100% myself. On other platforms, you guys always want me to be professional, and why I like to play a lot, you know. So, David Barr, have you seen your loving Solana? According to the biggest DC, Solana is going to zero, in quotes, $100 on a daily time frame. This is what Solana is giving us. I might be wrong. I pray I'm wrong. But if I'm not wrong, to zero. I just made a post on Telegram now about it. So, guys, for those of you on Telegram, you'd have gotten the notification now. So I want to post everywhere. Tell them, yo, this is the future of Solana right now. Structure has been broken to zero. Okay, so sorry, Cairo. Cairo said, Cairo said, I think the comments on the live are slow and some of mine are not even showing. Sorry, Cairo. I don't know why that's happening. Sorry. It might be an X issue, like Twitter issue, right? So sorry about that. Okay. So sorry, so sorry, so sorry. Okay. So, bro, Twitter people, not the power. Twitter people, 254 people are live there on Twitter. Twitter guys, say hi. I greet you all specially. We just discovered that BTC is going to zero. Everything to zero. Shit. Bro, do you know, thank God for this live stream. Like when we started, I told you all that we are bullish, right? Hey, whoa. I don't like to have conf. Oh my god. Anyways, I will stick to what I'm saying. Oh my god. I think we are bullish. Anyways, we might have a break of structure, but right now to zero, 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 zero to fucking zero, bro, to zero. Ah, Chimo, and it makes sense. Look at it now. It makes sense. Let us use a trend line. High, low, higher high. No, 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 no. Lower high, low, lower low. This place, I will count it as noise. I will count it as, let me just pick it, lower low, and it has still broken that same structure, which is here, obviously. So now we're looking for the next lower high. I mean to say, we're looking for the next lower low, lower high, and then before we end up, that's how we'll keep going to get to zero. Fuck, almost to zero. Shit. Thank God I saw this. That's why iPhone, and I hate to miss out on a sell trade. I hate them because sell used to come with speed. And I think USA government is about to open. Shit. Somebody mentioned something. My loyal fans make I they do for nonsense. Simon said Zeka. Zek, is it not Zek? That Zek is somehow that Zek is very volatile. But let's check it now. Make it shall no carry me. Oh, I put Zex. Honestly, I cannot analyze this Zek. I'm not gonna lie for you. I cannot analyze it. Let me show you now. The last time I attempted to analyze Zek, you see what happened now. It just kicked me out. I cannot analyze it. The coin is bigger than me. I respect Zek. Zek is bigger than me. Okay. Osaru. What? I have a viewer from Twitch. Are you serious? Somebody from Twitch just commented. Hey, Oshe, I never knew I had a viewer from Twitch. Oh. Honestly, this Zek is past my power. Before he disgraces me again. See the last time I saw Shiggy. Hey. Guys, please kindly, if I don't see like, make one of the type love, like, share, retweet. You know what? Everybody retweet. Let's do some retweet now. I mean, let's fucking retweet this space, man. Let's retweet it. If not, I'm done. Let's retweet because I'm about to get very active now. Retweet, retweet, retweet. Share it. I want to get very active. I am in the spirit now. Let's get very active, man. Retweet the live video, share it, retweet it. I need us to get to like at least 400, 500 people here. Isa. I'm leading by example. I just retweeted. Go and retweet now. Just tap on retweet, man. Retweet the live video, share it, retweet it. I need us to get to like at least 400, 500 people here. Isa. I'm leading by example. I just retweeted. Go and retweet now. Just tap on retweet, man. Retweet the live video, share it, retweet it. I need us to get to like at least 400, 500 people here. Isa. I'm leading by example. I just retweeted. Go and retweet now. Just tap on retweet, man. Retweet the live video, share it, retweet it. I need us to get to like at least 400, 500 people here. Isa. I'm leading by example. I just retweeted. Go and retweet now. Just tap on retweet, man. Retweet the live video, share it, retweet it. Damn, couple milli in my hand, boy, you're being heavy. So, like I said, I cannot be able to do Zek. Zek is bigger than me. Let's check what next. What is the next request from my loyal follower? Oh, ETH. I don't know. ETH will be more dead now if BTC is going to zero. So I'm going to use the same analysis I use for BTC. Chai. Omo, hey, Jesus. Omo market won't scatter. Fuck. Blood of Jesus Christ. Jesus. 2007. Is that 2007? 2007. Omo. And this 2007 rhyme very well. You can see my super Fibonacci is giving me on top of here, which is obviously a wonderful point of interest where support will then meet resistance. Damn boroba. Let me mark it out as green first. Hey! If to say I know I for place my entry here, but I put a short, I put a sell. Listen on. Ayana, no one. This is the biggest DC. Let us get another new entry. Chai. But let this thing don't come here first too before I start dumping. I don't want to go pay me, sha. You see how many things I do before I drop for you guys signal, Abi. Chai. If this thing happen, minus 30% on ETH, problem deal. Ha, many people no go commit suicide. Jesus. Mad. Mad, 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 mad. All right, very good. All these tools and all this way I'm doing it, I put it out in that course, right? That is pinned on my socials. So go there, go and purchase that course. Now it's selling on pre-sale. All these things, the way I'm analyzing this market, I put it out there, explain it properly. You can become a professional like me, but it's for few people. The course is for few people, please. It's not for everybody. On my person, they laugh. Waiting, they funny. This I'm no psychic. I mean, site. Why they laugh now? Even this true so they laugh. I swear everything won't go zero. Jesus. Many people no go die. Oh. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, now see, now this is the setup of ETH for now. The only time this setup will be invalidated, let me tell you, is if we have a breakout and close above here. Then when we have a breakout and close above here, we'll have a retest. That is only when this can be. You see what I just did there? That's only when this analysis can be invalidated. If not, hey, zero. Boogeyman. Now, Boogeyman on YouTube. Now, you, I gave an example of you here now. Boogeyman paid me a whooping sum of $500 to join my premium. And unfortunately, the first trade we took, that was a whole lot of risk. Normally, I don't even take trades like that. That is Core AI. I announced it now. I shared it now. I shared it. That's one thing about me. I'm very transparent so that I can be able to talk anywhere at any time. Nobody will pressure me. So I shared it now. When Core AI liquidated me on $500 plus $569 on a 2x leverage, crazy. Yeah, it's Core AI. So that was the first trade he joined and took, and bro, he liquidated me on $500 on a 2x leverage, and I think he lost money there. But not small challenge. Don't worry. He say the team pay me. No worry. No worry. No worry. No worry. We must win. The thing is that core AI was just one of those few times we took a high risk trade, and that was when you joined, and crazy. But don't worry, we'll go win. Now, biggest DC, you are with the biggest DC. If you are with me, no fear. So now, I think that para made him on that BTC trade. He did not touch stop loss. He went and go and closed the trade. Ah, I'm like, why now? Now you could have broken even. But anyways, we must win. We're always gonna win way more than we lose. In fact, we'll go over win safe. Yeah, with the biggest. This is the biggest here. You understand? So no shaking, nothing they happen. Biggest DC, no cap. Highly skilled DC. I need change new name. You know what's gonna happen? My fans from that time, that year, those my fans that year. Waiting, let us look for a new name for me because they they named me Akwabata. For those of you that don't know Igbo, Akwabata means when I come, wealth arrives with me. I make a lot of people make money. That's fucking epic. You know, I make a lot of people make money. So they started calling me Akwabata. When I come, wealth comes with me. Yeah. So yeah, we will win. Don't worry. We must win. Where. No worry. You see the way I showed you guys the $100 to $500 challenge. You see what I'm doing with them, and don't worry. We must win epically. You know, me, I have, I don't want to say I've hacked the code, but then I'm fucking legendary in this stuff, right? The funny thing is that people don't think I know a lot of stuff about internet. I don't really know much stuff about internet, so I just know much stuff about trading. I don't know much other stuff about other things. So, but in this particular one, don't worry, I know them. So this is the feature of ETH, and I just showed you that. Look at what will happen for this analysis to be validated. But apart from that, to zero. Now there's something called Oh, I don't want to teach that in here. But anyways, this I'm about to say is in that course. So you can, like I said, go and purchase. Everybody, go and purchase. Go and purchase. Um, go and purchase that course if you can. If you're a rich guy, you got some money, go and purchase that course now, especially now it's on pre-sale, so that you get to save 50%. Go and purchase it. You learn a lot and it's going to help you. There's no wisdom in losing money because of ignorance, right? So you learn a lot. Now there's something called POI, which I just spotted now here. Let me show you it. Where the fuck is this tool? Yeah, so this is a POI. And what is a POI? A POI is called point of interest, where support meets resistance. So where support meets resistance, prices tend to react from there. I just marked out a POI. The first one is a POI. The second one is a POI, point of interest. You see I marked here, this is a resistance, this is a resistance. Now that it hasn't broken, anytime prices come in between in here, I'm expecting, obviously, a buy from here. Why am I expecting a buy? A buy up to at least here. Why am I expecting a buy? From here, you see how we have studied this thing. So why am I expecting a buy up to here? A buy up to here is 50% correction. I don't even need to use any tool to know that that is 50% correction, because my brother, I have I've been on live since 2 hours. Before these 2 hours, I've been on chat. I have this is me, and this is me, and this one, the chat is me, and I am the chat. Sure, you get. Now, why am I expecting it to pump to there? Because of course it's just bouncing on a POI for the first time, and it's supposed to bounce. Now this bounce, why? If you check when I put this stuff here, now look at how it's going to align. Now this is a support, this is support. Once it gets to this POI, this support that has been broken now is now a new resistance. Thereby at this POI, I'm expecting another POI there. I'm expecting what? A rejection from this POI to at least 50% first, before we then know what to do. This is how the fucking chart moves. So let me delete this. Sharp. Bro, you know the kind of work you have so much confidence, you're doing a lot of stuff live, and a lot of things are playing out. Some long trades I put out, most of them have broken structure. Right now I'm going to say, bro, go and close those limit buys and all that. Go and fucking close. Yeah, structure can be broken from time to time. It's normal, and it's going to, you might lose some money. It's normal, but you're going to win way more if you know this stuff like I do. Yeah. So you feel me? So now this is it. How many of you remember that time that we used to do a, when there's news, live stream? We'll do live stream when there's news. We'll take a trade live when there's news on YouTube, and the news will announce we are winning on the live stream ASAP. How many of you witnessed that era? I think I'll start doing that again. So most times we are winning back to back. Like people are like, what? I'm so scared of news, and you can be able to do this before the news, and the news makes it play out. And I'm like, bro, we epic, my G. 330 people on the live. Make una clap. 330 people here. So, do you know I used to do intermittent fasting? 2 hours live, mad. I used to do intermittent fasting. Now, I'm eating my children kuli. I'm hungry. I must see the way they deal like boyfriend and girlfriend. So now, ETH to 0. Let me announce it. This only Vidic said, challenge me and see, no wahala from my guy, Boogeyman. Then only why you posting like me? Sold to 0. Dumb. That is how I post, so to 0. Dumb. Yes, so now it is no longer sold to 0. It is now the whole market to 0. ETH to 0. Let me tweet about it. Yes. Only lady has been long enough in my Telegram. Yes, yes, yes. No, I'm always posting. I love calling short. How many of you notice it? I love short so much. I love crashing the market. Let me let me tweet about this. I swear, somebody said for short Korea. Don't worry, it is well. That one don't say. I regret my life for that Korea. That Korea once spoil my steez. A homie. Ah, I regret. Guys, for those of you that are here, please make sure you use my partnership link. Check my socials. You're gonna see it. Use my partnership link. Sign up on Bitunix. Deposit $100 and KYC and take trade. You know, you're gonna be giving over $500. No, no, not over. Up to $500 in USDT reward, features reward. Okay, so do that. I'm about to tweet ETH to zero. Soon people will start insulting me because they don't like it. Let me tweet. Oh, yo, guys, thank you so much for tweeting. I'm hungry. I finished this children's curriculum. Hope this thing has low carbs. Okay, yeah. So I just made a tweet. Oh, only said in the comment section that people are saying that ZEC is an Israel scam coin. Honestly, I don't know. I don't have any comment about that. But then what I know is that when the market starts dumping, these coins are the ones that dump the most. So if you're lucky enough, you can catch a sell. But me, I don't want to like get involved in too many an asset that is way too volatile. I don't like it. You see, I attempted it with Core AI, and you see I lost money. And when I'm losing money, let me give you a gist. When I'm losing money, it is not just me again losing money. I have people that are following me from different parts of the world. They are losing money with me too. Though that most of them, that is when they come to complain that, yo, I lost money on this. But when they are winning, they don't even appreciate me. They don't tell me, But I'm used to it already. I mean, I've been doing this for years. I'm used to it already, right? But then I'm still like, you know, because of the passion I have for people winning, right? I try as much as possible to lead by example. I have said this one time on a video, and one guy was like, his respect for me has, he lost some respect for me. I told him to get the fuck away from here with his respect. What did I say? I said, I trade only Bitcoin trade, only BTC. The only reason why I post other coins is because I know I'm serving the community. So people want to get involved in other coins and all that. The guy was like, why am I not trading those trades? Like the other coins. I'm like, bro, I have told you, I've said what I said. I'm a fan of BTC. I'm a BTC. I love trading BTC because of the structure, but I put out other trades, even though they do wonderfully well. Like, I don't take most of those trades because I'm putting it out there to serve the community, but I take my personal trades, which is just strictly Bitcoin, or most times Bitcoin. And the guy was like, he lost respect for me. I told him to fuck himself with his respect because I mean, I don't care, you know. I just say what I said, and I'm telling you that if you can, you do. If you can, you follow me and do what I do exactly, which is taking just BTC trades, right? But if you can't, then all those other ones, they are good. It's not like as if they are not good. They are very good trades. But my own preference, personally, as an individual, is just BTC. Does it make sense, guys? Does it make sense? What I say, does it make sense? Is it reasonable? Okay, cool. Good to see that we have same like-minded people here. Okay, makes sense. Hmm. Good to see we have like-minded people here. My friend say he wants to call me. I'm just telling him on the live stream. So what coin next should we look at? Let us do five more coins and we'll call it a day for the live stream. Okay, five more coins. We'll call it a day. Hmm. So somebody just said something. The guy sent me a note, a text message on WhatsApp, and you know, it's kind of nice. I'm trying to do something. Please send in the coins you want us to analyze, please. Oh, you see what I just did now? So this stuff is popping up now. The unfair. Oh man, I'm trying. I'm not learning how to use this stuff. We're better. Okay. Oh, mad, 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 mad. Okay. This is nice. Oh. Mhm. Okay. I'm going to, while the comments are coming in, let me make a short video. Okay. So guys, we are 2 hours on this live right now. Yeah, I'm hosting the live. We're 2 hours right now, 2 hours 16 minutes. So for the past 2 hours 16 minutes, I've been on this live. We got about 373 people. Yeah, 373 people from different parts of the world on this live, and this is their host, the biggest DC. Excuse my unshaved beard. I'm gonna go shave after this. Okay. So yup, here. So guys, we are guys, please. I love to like always like document this stuff. I call it so learn from me. Okay, learn from me. This is called what we call a proof of work. Proof of work. Okay. Without proof of work, people are not going to believe in you. They are not going to trust you. They don't understand your they don't understand your they don't understand your journey. You understand? You see, when I'm saying some things, I ask some questions. You, how many of you are here then? That is proof. That is proof of work. Okay, so learn that from me. I believe a lot of young people follow me. I'm a young guy. I'm 30. I just turned 30 on 30th of September this year. I'm young, but then I believe younger people follow me. So yeah, so please make sure you make sure you learn from what I'm doing. Learn this how to be this greatness. If I come out for councillor now, sure una go vote for me. For those of you in Niger, if I come out for councillor now, minister of this, una go vote for me. Minister of, make I no go call any position, make they no come carry me from my house. So. Minister of whatever, una go vote for me. Will you guys vote for me if I come out for minister of something? Eh, it don't happen. Niger don't act. Don't take light. Oh. Okay, put out something. Put out work. Somebody say till then. Hmm. Najari. They don't bring back lights. Shut down. Okay, so I'm seeing some comments now. Let me get serious now. Sorry, I like to play a lot. So please, if you're not comfortable, if you're not comfortable with me playing a lot, live my life. Live my life. I play a lot. You have to accept my personality and me, the way I am. Live my life. Woo! 2 hours, 19 minutes. Fuck! Omo. Okay, Beats by Main said, keep up the great work. Oli is asking me if I today that my sister birthday, she said whether make I show her love. She no knows how I dey here they work. I don't sit down here 2 hours plus now. Hey God. Oh. So um yeah, so okay, so let's going through this now seriously. Oli is talking about the Bitcoin topping, bro. I don't like talking about tops and all that, bro. I just know we're in a bear market. Hoo-ha. That's what I'm saying. I've been saying that since we're in a bear market. Somebody says Zen. Who say okay? Ah, Boogeyman. Oh yeah, now make we look Zen. I don't know about that thing. If you pass my power, I leave him. Okay. I will not lie to you. From the data I can see on this, it is more than my power. Yeah, I cannot analyze this before I enter problem like call AI. This is bigger than me. My intelligence never reached this level. So I beg you. I beg you. Beast by Man said, keep up the great work, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you. Um, 388 people. Retweet, share. Let's get to 400, guys. You know, people don't like financial talk, so it's interesting when we see this amount of people here. Retweet. Let's go. Repost, retweet. Let's fucking go. Eh? Let's go. 392. Let's get to 400. Fuck that shit. Ah, BNB. Let us check BNB. Let me crash that coin. Oh yeah, now. Make una go analyze on yourself. Type zero. Say type BNB to zero. I go crash am now. Yo! Oh my God, why did that person go out? We just hit 400 people here and somebody went out. What? Somebody said BNB to zero. Um, if you can get past CZ. Okay, okay. First of all, on a 4 hours, top one, yeah, on a 4 hours, let's try this trade. Let's try it. Don't over risk on this trade. Let's do 4 hours first before we go because 4 hours I know already at an entry. So let's try like this. Are you with me? So somebody do that same thing. Type the signal out while I'm calling it out. Let's try this one first of all. Let's see if it's gonna work. Please don't over. Let's use 5. Let's use 6x leverage. Please don't over invest, okay? Let's do it like this. Okay, so let's do like this, okay? Let's do like this. So this one, the entry is way better because it's on a 4 hours time frame, downtrend confirmed, and let's see if it's gonna work. Let's try. So entry short BNB, sell to zero, BNB to 0.0000. So short BNB, entry 1100.3. Somebody type it out. Entry 1100.3. Entry for BNB sell. I'm not seeing anybody typing it out. Then how do we move on from here? Or you all are not interested? Yo, guys, please. Thank you. Somebody has written short BNB. Joe Naski. Thank you so much. That is from YouTube. You see, I'm already overstimulated. Please, guys. So let's support each other here right now. So short BNB. Yo, Twitter guys can type this now so that we'll be sure that people are going to see it. Somebody should volunteer to type. I said short BNB. Short BNB. Entry 1100.3. Add that 0.3. 1100. And this is their host. I've been on this live. Leverage, 6x leverage. 6x leverage. Ragnar tagged me on saying somebody just bought 1,168 million worth of ETH. Yes, he bought it doesn't mean it's not going to zero. Oh, I know of. Oh boy, I know of. Somebody just closed his BTC long. He said, I don't take profit. This one, where DC don't switch everything to zero. Um, yeah, so to zero. So leverage 6x. Um, take profit 984. 984 take profit. 984.5 take profit. Then stop loss 1155.3. Yeah. These guys, they are typing it out. Stop loss 1155. Almost. We have been here for almost 3 hours now. Jesus. What? I'm gonna be like, so I go stop here. I beg you. Yeah, so that is for BNB on a 4 hours time frame. Now let us check BNB on a daily. Let's look at the structure on a daily. On a daily, BNB is looking like an inverted head and shoulder, right? Shoulder, we should be expecting a pump. So, but then, still on that same daily, BNB has done a top one, top two, a breakout, and it's retesting the resistance zone. So, you know, sometimes this is why I say trading can be a bit confusing sometimes. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to stick to what I saw first. Okay? Because it was this inverted head and shoulder that was this inverted head and shoulder that was telling me to buy. I got some buys. But right now, I don't think it's going to be that again. So that, you see, in trading, anything you want to see in trading is going to show you, right? So that's why I don't like overanalyzing the market. Okay? So, but to be fair, just in case of this other trade fails, right? To be fair, just in case of this other trade fails, then we should be looking for a BNB entry around this 1002. Just in case of this other trade failed and you have a breakout above it, then we should be going to 1002 plus, then coming down to 790. Okay, but if this particular trade sustain, what I would advise you is take your profits to around this place. Take some profit, then allow the rest to run down to this place. Okay, to 792. I'm not going to say much. Let me get all this out. So yeah, let's leave it like this. So in case you didn't get what I said, you can just rewatch this video. It's already stored on YouTube, on Twitter. It's there. Okay. Guys, so you can see something showing on the screen, which is called the unfair trading advantage. So there was one time, let me give you guys a gist before we call it a wrap. There was one time because of too much work and dedication, I was not sleeping well. I had to start going for therapy because sometimes lack of sleep can mess with your head and all that. So um then I was also on a roller coaster of emotions. This was like years back, and I started telling the therapist that that sometimes I feel so guilty because you hear people did this to themselves, they did that to themselves, you know, because of trading. But me, I'm always winning, winning, making money, winning, making money. Not always though, but most times I win, right? And you know, he was like, "Did I steal the money from them?" I said, "No." He said, "Is it not my skill?" I said, "Yes." He then said, "I should be grateful for it." Then, so yeah, so that is why I named this particular course the unfair trading advantage. Now, the unfair Dream Chasers Code, the unfair trading challenge advantage. I mean to say, so Dream Chasers Code, the unfair trading advantage. That's the name of the course. It's up on Seller. Probably in the future, we might upload it on other stores. You can go there now. It's on pre-sale, 50% discount right now. You go and buy. Okay, buy, get to learn and know how I see the market. And there are different tiers. If you buy the top tier, then know that after the learning, right, you then have a direct mentorship under me for 1 year. Okay, a lot of you don't know that there's a difference between learning a skill and being mentored. You understand that, yeah? So yeah, so if you get the top tier, right now it's on a 50% discount. It's just for few people. Obviously, I know that it's only few people that can be able to afford it. So it's just for few people. So you get it, you get active, okay? Get it, get very active. And yeah, I wish you good luck, okay? And then obviously on these trades, I wish you good luck. Okay, make money. Okay, make money off what I know. I love it when you do that, okay? So good luck, guys. Guys, please, I'm gonna call it a day here. 2 hours, 36 minutes, bro. 2 hours, 36 minutes. uh so 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 36 minutes on a live stream is not really easy. Are you sure that I will not do the a competition of the longest live stream ever as a trader? So, anyways, thank you so much for joining, guys. I really appreciate you, and thank you for always supporting. And we hope to do this some other time soon. Bye. Have a nice day. 2 hours, 36 minutes on the live stream is not really easy. Are you sure that I will not do the a competition?